best 16 paid jobs to be worked at home. Making a decision of working at home is a major one to be made. Many reasons will surely affect your decision towards working remotely. First of all, you can control your schedule doing something you actually love, tax-free, no bosses, and more self-satisfaction, of course. Working remotely is now trending between young generations. According to the studies on CNBC.com, 70% of people work remotely at least once a week. Remote job sites like FlexJobs estimate that working from home can save workers $4,668, while Quartz calculates that telecommunicators can save $2,524 a year. So, no matter what you studied or what part of the world you come from, want to work for a company or starting your own business, here are a list of the best paid jobs online for you. Please support us by clicking on the subscribe and the bell, and don't miss out on our new videos. Number 1. Affiliate Marketer. For those unfamiliar with affiliate marketing, it is simply referral marketing where you earn a commission. Let's say that you have a website and you refer to a book on Amazon. When the visitor clicks the link and buys the book, Amazon will pay you a percentage of the sale. People love affiliate marketing because they can start earning money passively within just few startup costs. Number 2. Animator. Are you an artistic and creative individual who's able to create animation and visual effects for television, movies, video games, and other types of media? Then you can work at home as a freelance animator. Personally, I've seen animators make between $25 to $106 an hour on sites like Upwork. Number 3. Baker, caterer, or chef. If you have a knack for baking or cooking, then turn your passion into a side business. From your own kitchen, you could start a catering business or become a personal chef. If you are a baker, you could sell your goods to friends, neighbors, or online. Number 4. Blogger. Blogging is inexpensive and easy to start doing. It could be as simple as you just writing about your favorite music or food, and eventually you can start generating money from your site. Just keep in mind that you need to pay patient when it comes to cashing in on your blog. Number 5. Bookkeeper. Believe it or not, you don't have to be a CPA to start bookkeeping. Just sign up for a bookkeeping course at a community college or even online. Once you complete a course, you can start earning. The median salary is reportedly $34,000. Some stay-at-home bookkeepers make more than $70,000. Number 6. Child caregiver. Whether if it's just for a couple of hours or for the entire day, running a childcare business from your home can be lucrative. Just make sure that you obtain the correct license and permits. Number 7. Clinical Research Coordinator. Clinical research coordinators help manage operations for clinical trials. You could make more than $48,000 with this job, and you don't need a bachelor's degree. Number 8. Consultant. If you have experience and knowledge in a specific area, then consider sharing it with others. For example, if you are an accountant or a lawyer, then you can provide advice to small businesses for a pretty penny. You could also consult businesses on how to use a new software program or how to become more environmentally friendly. Number 9. Customer Service Representative. Do you possess excellent communication skills? Do you also have a landline and reliable internet? Then you can earn between $8 to $15 per hour. Number 10. Data entry. Inputting data for businesses isn't the most exciting of jobs. However, you don't need any previous experience, and you can start at $10 per hour. Number 11. Editing and proofreading. Companies like Book in a Box pay around $20 per hour to editors, book jacket designers, and proofreaders. Number 12. Event planner. Whether if it's planning a wedding, birthday party, or an event, people are looking for organized individuals to do most of the event planning for them. Number 13. grant writer. Universities, hospitals, and non-profit organizations often need to apply for grant money. Since these applications can be difficult to write, these businesses often turn to talented grant writers. As a grant writer, you can make between $40,300 and $67,000 per year. Number 14, graphic designer. Many businesses are in need of someone to design their logos, websites, or visual aids. If you have a degree or certification in this area, you can make a comfortable salary annually, reportedly $45,000 and up. The more skilled you are, the more clients you likely get. Number 15, online teacher. Are you a teacher who's looking for a more flexible schedule? Then consider teaching via Skype or via pre-recorded sessions through organizations like K-12 and Connections Academy. Number 16, social media manager. There are lots of organizations who need someone to manage their social media accounts, and some may even want you to completely develop a social media strategy for them. So, no more desks, fixed working hours, horrible bosses, and mean co-workers. Or limited options. Working from home is a life-comforting choice. Make money anytime and anywhere.